Masons Kings are celebrating 40 years in business. We've achieved this milestone by having great customers, superb products and services that we offer, and our fantastic service team. We have a great team here at Masons Kings, some new starters and some that have been with us for the whole 40 years. As a company, we're always looking to evolve and grow our business offerings. Looking forward, we're going to expand our workshop and our product support teams. We have a whole host of opportunities available. If you're looking for a rewarding place to work, family-led business, leading John Deere dealership, visit Masons Kings Careers.